Okay, let's have a look at this paper. Okay, so October, November 2021, 9709, 52. Okay. The first question. First question says that each of the 180 students at a college play exactly one of piano, guitar, etc. drums. Okay, so first of all, make a total of this. So 25 plus 44 plus 11. So this is 55. 55, this becomes 80. If you add these 42 plus 38 plus 20, so this is 58. 58 and 260. And so the value is how much? 100. So this is the bifurcation. Okay. So first things first. A student at a college rental, find the probability the student plays the guitar. Now guitar, the total of guitar would be 44 plus 38. This is coming 82. So 82 upon 180. This is equivalent to 41 upon 90, which is equivalent to 0.456%. Okay, next part. Find the probability that the student is male given that. Now this is the statement of given that. So whenever given that is given written, so it is conditional probability. Okay, so find the probability that the student is male given that the student played drums. Okay, so given that thing, stay drums over here and is a male. So it is an intersection of these two divided by total of drums. Often the students make a mistake of like interchanging these two values. Now intersection of drums and male. Drums and male is 11. And P of D, that is the total. Total of drums is 11 upon 20. Sorry, 11 plus 20, that is equivalent to 31. So this is equivalent to 31. If you convert this into decimals, it's like this. Next thing, determine whether the events the student play guitar and the student is female are independent. Justify your answer. For these two, what we will be doing first is P of guitar. So if we look at guitar, 82, yeah, 82 is guitar, and the total females we look over 100. So basically, what is the role? What is the rule for the independent event? Independent event states that if G and female, it should be equivalent to P of G into P of F. It should be equivalent to this. So P of G is what? G is guitar total 82 upon 180. So this is 41 upon 90. Now P of F. F is 100 upon 180. That is equivalent to 5 upon 9. 5 upon 9. Okay. So as per rule, this should be equivalent to this. So P of G into F, if I calculate this, okay, so intersection of these two, intersection means that it's a female and she plays guitar. So this is a female and she plays guitar. So this is 38 upon 180. So this is equivalent to 38 upon 180. So we are getting a final value of 19 upon 90. So as per rule, the multiplication of these two, 41 upon 90 into 5 upon 9, since it is not equivalent to 19 upon 90. So this means that these events are, so therefore events not independent. I hope you guys have understood this.